Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Smart Clipper Pro, and this is the Pro version of the Oraimo Smart Trimmer 2 Gold and the 2 Silver. So here we have this professional clipper for all hairstyle coming in with fast technology, which you can see here. Now this is a Pro version of the clippers I've just mentioned, so let's just check it out. Let's see what's inside the box. And by the side here you are going to see the Oraimo Smart Clipper with the charging time and run time here, and underneath is Oraimo Keep Exploring, sold in 60 countries. Here by the side you are going to see super powerful motor, 4-length adjustable blades, self-sharpening blades, precise hair cutting, up to 240 minutes run time, and durable melter all-round casing. And at the back here is nothing but the authentication center and 305 days warranty for you in case anything goes wrong. But I'm very sure this is going to last you and nothing is going to go wrong. Let's see what's inside and let's open this guy up. Before we check out everything inside the box, let me tell you quickly the price of this Oraimo Smart Clipper Pro. On Oraimo eShop website here in Nigeria, you can get it for 29,000 naira, which you can see here. 29,000 naira here, that is about 29 US dollars now. So if you are in Nigeria, Ghana or Kenya, you can use the discount code shown right on your screen, bracket, and it's going to give you 5% discount off from the original price of this Oraimo Smart Clipper Pro. So without wasting much of your time, let's check out what's inside the box. So here is it. Wow, this looks beautiful. That's one thing I like about Oraimo. The packaging will always be there. Okay, so the first thing we are seeing here is the clipper itself. In this casing, silver casing, and it's very strong and sturdy. This is metal all around, and it comes with this Oraimo printing at the back here. And I like how they made this design, this ergonomic design for the barber's hand, which you can see here. Very nice one. And it comes with fast technology port. So let's just see what else you can find in the box and we'll come back to that. So the next thing you are going to see here is the user manual, which you can go through. The welcome guide, you can go through that. It's not that lengthy, just for you to see what's inside the box and how you can use it. Okay, and at the back here is the warranty certificate. Next thing you are going to see here is a bag for you to keep your clipper. That is very thoughtful of Oraimo, and it comes with combs. This is the guard combs. This is 8 guard combs. You can see it comes with 8 guard combs here. So we have 8 guard combs here. The next thing you are going to see here is the brush, which you can use to clean the clipper. The next item you are going to see is the Type-C cable, a little bit long with orange accent, and the last but not the least is a small lubricant or a lubricating oil, which you can see here. You need to get more of this, and that is pretty much everything you are going to find in the box. Comparing it to the Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 Silver and Gold here, you can see these guys are almost the same size. They're almost the same size here. So let me bring it up to the screen so that you can see. They're almost the same size, the 3 of them. But I felt like this new one is lighter a little bit. It's not as heavy as these 2 guys here. It's a little bit lighter. But I'm going to do that in a full comparison video. I'm going to measure it for you guys to see. Now, putting this aside, let's see how this guy works. It comes with 240 minutes run time. So let's remove this cover and let's switch it on. Let's see the percent it comes in with, because you have to charge it up before the first time use. So don't make mistake of that. You have to charge up your device. So this comes in at 230, which you can see here. I think the maximum capacity of this guy is 240. So we are going to charge it up and let's see how it's charged. So I have to plug it here. It comes with fast technology. So this is how it charge. As you can see, it is going up and coming down, going up and coming down. Shows the charging indicator there. Just unplug this and test it for you guys to see. Let's test it quickly with something. Switch it on and test it. As you can see, it can cut it. So that is it, guys. It's cutting it well, and I have to oil it and charge it so that it's going to last. So the maximum figure you are going to see on this Oraimo Smart Clipper Pro is 240. So when it gets to 240, that means it is fully charged. So that is the first time charging, and it charges very, very fast. To categorize this guy here quickly, this is the fastest charging, this is the faster charging, and this is the normal or fast charging. So this is the fastest, faster, and fast. But I'm going to check out which one is the best when it comes to using it in terms of battery life, in terms of how they work, in terms of skin friendliness and every other stuff like that. I'm still going to test it out. So I've been using this one for the past 1 year now, and it has been working fine. This is the first Oraimo Smart Clipper 2, and it has been working fine for the past 1 year. And this is the one I just bought last week, and it is still working also. And this is the latest one I opened today. As you guys can see, it has charged. So stay tuned for the full review and comparison video. If you want to see more, or whatever I skip that you want to know more about, please drop it down there in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.